How do I draw my prediction in a SPARKvue graph? Drawing a prediction before you collect sensor data in a graph can be a great learning opportunity. In this example, I have a wireless pressure sensor connected to SPARKvue, and I'm going to vary the volume of air in this syringe, starting at 30 milliliters, compressing it to 15, bringing it back to 30, and then doubling the original volume to 60. Before I collect the pressure data for those corresponding actions, I'd like to make a prediction. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you have a graph of the measurement that you'd like to make a prediction on. In this case, I have a graph of pressure on the y-axis and time on the x-axis. And next, you want to adjust your axes to allow you to draw in the range of your prediction. So I'm going to collect data for about 20 seconds, adjust the time axis, and I'm going to predict that I only need a range of pressures from about 0 to a little over 200. When I'm ready to make the prediction, I will open up the graph toolbar, and the predict tool looks like a marker drawing a line. And once I turn that predict tool on, my finger or a mouse cursor on a computer can be used to draw a line on the graph. So because I filled this syringe at 30 milliliters with room pressure air, I'm going to predict that it's about 100 kilopascals to begin, and I'll do that for the first 5 seconds. And at 5 seconds, I'm going to compress the syringe, and I predict that's going to increase the pressure. And then I'll go to about 10 seconds, where I'll come back to the original volume. And at 15 seconds, I'm going to draw the syringe out to a volume of about 60. I predict that's going to do this to the pressure. So you can see that my drawn prediction is here in orange. Once I'm happy with my prediction, I can hit the Done button. And now I'm ready to collect data. So I'll press Start, and you notice that my data is collected in the same graph, so I can make the comparison easily. And at that 5 seconds, I'll compress, go back out to 30, and finally for the last 5 seconds, go out to 60. And I'll press Stop. So you can see I'm easily able to compare my prediction in orange to the actual data collected from the sensor, and this is a great opportunity to learn about my conceptions before collecting the data. A couple things to note. If you turn off the predict tool, your prediction will go away. You can only have one prediction per graph, but if I want to create a second prediction for, say, another run under different conditions, I could create a new page and have a second graph with a different prediction. Thank you.